Welcome the our channel. Today we how to transfer real estate with North American Title, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring real estate with North American Title, start by gathering all necessary documents related to the property. This typically includes the current title deed, property tax statements, and any existing mortgage information. Next, contact North American Title to initiate the transfer process. They will assign you a representative who will guide you through the necessary steps and paperwork. Schedule an appointment with your North American Title representative to discuss your specific situation. During this meeting, review the documents you've collected and any additional paperwork required for the transfer. Ensure you ask questions about any terms or processes you do not understand. Once you have a clear understanding, your representative will help you fill out the title transfer forms. Be prepared to provide identification to verify your identity during this process. After completing the forms, your representative will inform you of any fees associated with the transfer. Make sure to obtain a receipt for any payments made during this process. Now, submit the completed title transfer forms along with the necessary documents to North American Title. They will file the paperwork with the appropriate local government office for recording. Time for processing can vary, so ask your representative about the estimated timeline. You will receive a confirmation once the transfer has been officially recorded. Finally, keep copies of all documents and confirmations for your records. This ensures that you have proof of the transfer for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.